Austria, Peking Austria, should I say, and they went to the and his son Hans-Joachim stood and drove the car, and as did I, and it's one category, GT3, but likewise, you know, the Nature Rail industry, I look forward to seeing. 90 years old, the kind of vintage car that turned up and took people. We went up yesterday.
Waiting for them not to go away, and then they're going to go down. These are the cars that
scared of it, and it took a long time to tame. Really, by the time they chopped the rear long bodywork off, and let it go wide, short the tail, and it absolutely transformed the car. Cars have already gone up the hill. Struck. Hello, brilliant brake discs. If they ask me, they ask me. They'll want to get in the year after with Jackie Oliver. BMW, the Luigi Martini, didn't I? Well, that was on there in the end. That was in day of days. Through to take the win. And Yannick Dalmas, last month, still with me. Three racer is the man behind the wheel of it going up the hill. And carousel towards the end of the lap. Now, Ligier is a constructor. Like a racing car, it's got single-seater compound, but he has matured into a very good GT racer. This is the Racing Company. And I keep being told this is Darren Turner at the wheel, and then he is looking rapid up the hill, and Dario Franchitti, who has found what a signal was ready. His young squad, Dragoviski, Christophe Bouchard. Point right. Aston Martin, the young Bible, and this car making his way to the forefront in the 50s of sports car racing as the DBR for a time. Aston Martin was a Formula 1 champion. Stanislas de Sadalier in the early 90s with success in GT racing. Fine, and the gearbox and the transmission. If that does the shootout, that's going to be well worth. Wilkinson behind the wheel. And what the television doesn't show is that it really is actually a Ferris wheel at the bottom, so why not have a Ferris wheel here at Goodwood? The view. Getting some speed, but this moment's gone.